Are you tired of dealing with cold, uncomfortable boots that ruin your backcountry adventures? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Whitewood's 306 NNNBC Boots. Let's kick things off with the Whitewood's Unisex Adult 306 NNNBC Backcountry Adventure Insulated Ski Boots, priced at $121.91. What really caught my eye is their breathable, weatherproof upper and 100 grams of Thinsulate lining, ensuring your feet stay warm and dry. These boots are designed specifically for backcountry skiing, and they deliver on that promise. The composite midsole and steel shank provide the anatomic support you need, which means you'll have better control while navigating uneven terrain. Plus, with metal lace guides, you can customize the fit to your liking, ensuring you don't have to deal with uncomfortable pressure points. The compatibility with NNNBC bindings is another plus, making it a practical choice for most skiers. Now here's the thing, some users mention that the boots run a bit small, so I'd recommend considering a size up, especially if you're planning on wearing thicker socks. But honestly, the warmth and comfort these boots provide far outweigh this minor issue. If you're planning long tour or just want a reliable option, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're an avid backcountry skier looking for warmth and comfort. However, skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer a boot with a wider fit. For the price, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the sizing issue concerns you, the next option might offer a little more room for your feet. Product number 2, Whitewood's 302 NNN Boots. Next up is another great choice from Whitewood's, the Unisex Adult 302 NNN Nordic Cross Country XC Touring Adventure Insulated Ski Boots, priced at $121.13. What drew me in was their durable and warm design, featuring a breathable upper and an impressive Dintex membrane to keep water and wind at bay. The 302 model has been crafted for comfort, with a composite midsole providing excellent support and moisture management, which is crucial when tackling varying snow conditions. The removable insole and ergonomic lace guides allow you to adjust the fit, making them adaptable for long days on the slopes. Plus, they're compatible with any standard NNN binding system, which adds to their usability. However, I did find some complaints about sizing, with users suggesting you might want to size up for the best fit. While this could be a hassle, the comfort and performance these boots deliver make them worth it, especially if you're looking for a reliable option for all-day skiing. This is perfect for you if you enjoy cross-country skiing and need a boot that keeps you warm and dry. But skip this one if you have wide feet or prefer a boot that feels more custom-fitted right out of the box. At this price point, you're getting a solid boot that won't let you down. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more customizable fit. Product number 3, Rossignol BC X5 Boots. Now let's talk about the Rossignol Uni Nordic Boot BC X5, retailing at $214.21. This boot caught my attention with its innovative NBC sole designed for maximum stability. If you want a boot that gives you the confidence to tackle any snow condition, this one is worth considering. The NBC sole provides a wider surface area and a rotation axle that enhances stability, which is crucial when you're making turns or navigating tricky trails. The dual-density strap adds comfort and allows for better energy transfer, meaning less fatigue during your outings. What's really cool is the thermo-adjustable fit. You can have these liners heat-molded to your feet for a perfect fit. Plus, the speed lace lock system makes getting in and out a breeze. That said, some users expressed concerns about the boot's weight, as it's slightly heavier than others. But here's the thing, the stability and support these boots provide are a game changer for serious skiers, and that extra weight may actually help in tougher conditions. This is perfect for you if you crave stability and custom comfort on challenging backcountry trips. However, if you're looking for something lightweight for casual skiing, you might want to pass. The price reflects the quality, and you're getting a serious piece of equipment that's built to last. If the weight is something you're worried about, the next option is a great lightweight alternative. Product number 4, Whitewood's 300/175 boots. Next on our list is the Whitewood's Unisex Adult 300/175 XC Touring Cross-Country Adventure Insulated Ski Boots, which you can snag for $98.76. What really stands out here is their waterproof and breathable design, perfect for those unpredictable weather days. The 301 boots come with a 100 grams Thinsulate lining, ensuring your feet stay warm even in colder conditions. They also feature improved metal lace guides for a custom fit, along with a toe protector for extra durability. Plus, they're compatible with any standard 75 binding system, making them versatile for various setups. However, it's worth noting that some users found the boots a bit bulky, which could affect maneuverability. But honestly, if you're looking for warmth and protection at a lower price, this might be a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet reliable boot for recreational backcountry skiing. However, skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or more performance-oriented. You're getting solid value for the price, making it a great entry-level option. Now, if you're still seeking something more performance-driven, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5. Whitewood's 306 NNNBC Boots Alternate. Finally, let's circle back to another great option from Whitewood's, the Unisex Adult 306 NNNBC Boots, which you can find for around $127.54. These boots have a similar design to our first pick, but come with some slight upgrades. Just like the previous Whitewood's models, it features a breathable weatherproof upper and a 100 grams Thinsulate lining to keep your feet warm and dry. The composite midsole offers excellent support, and the ergonomic lace pressure helps you find the right fit. These boots are also compatible with NNNBC bindings, making them a practical choice for most skiers. Now, some people might say that the design isn't as stylish as other brands. But let's be real here, when you're out in the backcountry, practicality trumps style, right? For me, the comfort and functionality of these boots are what make them a great deal. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate skier looking for comfort without breaking the bank. However, if you're after the latest style trends, you might want to check out other options. Overall, for the price and features, these boots deliver solid performance for any backcountry trip. So to quickly recap, we've looked at 5 fantastic backcountry ski boots. The Whitewood's 306 NNNBC, the Whitewood's 302 NNN, the Rossignol BC X5, the Whitewood's 300/175, and another version of the Whitewood's 306 NNNBC. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Rossignol BC X5 because of its unbeatable stability and customizable comfort for serious adventures. But I'd avoid the Whitewood's 300/175 if you're looking for something more performance-oriented, as its bulk could affect your agility. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.